Hi, this is Keshav here. In this video, let's see how do we fetch top 5 performing products per each country region based on the sales amount in Power BI by using DAX. Alright, let's get started. I used this query to pull the data into Power BI. I already pulled required data into Power BI, and that query will give below output. We have got country region name, country region code, product name, and sales amount. Let's not worry about the rank, just I ranked it here just for testing. Okay, jump into Power BI desktop. I have already pulled the data using by the query that I just shown you guys. Okay, I could see here country region name, product name, and sales amount. Right, I have added slicer as well, that is country region code. Now currently I could see all the country regions and product names and respective sales amount. Right, so what I want to see, I don't want to see for all the products from that specific region. I want to see only top 5 performing products with respect to sales amount. That's what my requirement is. Alright, let's get started. Okay, for that we need to create one measures to fetch top 5 performing products per each country region. So let's go ahead and create one measure. So already I have created one calculated measure here, that is total sales amount. That is just to use in the measure I'm gonna create. Okay, so new measure, let me name it as top 5 products. I need to define one variable here. Let me define the variable get products, or maybe get top products. I'm going to use values function here because I want to get unique product names here. Okay, I want to get unique product names from the sales data table. Values is the function which will fetch unique values from the given column. Okay, so now I'm gonna say return. The return value should be calculate. What should I calculate? I need to calculate sales, which already I calculated total sales by filtering with what? Filtering with top 5 products, right? So for that I need to use the function called top n. Now I need to specify how many records I want to fetch. I'm going to use all function here. From all the given products I need top 5 products, right? So top n function, we need to give the number that you want and the column from where you want to fetch the value. So here I'm gonna rank with total sales amount, right? I'm gonna pass total sales amount here. Okay, now let me close the bracket. Okay, so all function, what it does, it will pull all the products from the given column, right? But what I need, I want from the unique product names, I want top 5, right? For that I'm going to use my variable context here. I'm going to call the variable get top products, right? Let me close the bracket. That's it. It's very simple. We need to create one measure. I defined one variable to pull the unique product names, then return what I'm going to return here. I'm going to calculate total sales by filtering our top 5 products. As I used all function here, all function will pull all the products, but I don't want all the products. I want top 5 products from the unique product names. So as I need top 5 unique product names, I used the variable context that I created here, get top products. Okay, so what it does now here, by ranking with total sales, it will pull top 5 unique products. Alright, that's what my requirement is. Let's say enter. Alright, and now let me add this column to the table. Alright, let me sort with this. Okay, now I could see top 5 product sales and respective product names under the given country region. Alright, but I have got blank values for rest of the products for the same region because we have added sales amount here. Alright, So let me take off sales amount so that it will pull only top 5 products per each country region. Okay, now I filtered with Australia region code AU. So let me take off that filter. Now you could see top 5 products per each country region. For Southwest, these are top 5 products. For Canada, these are top 5 products. So per each country region you could see top 5 products with respect to sales amount. I hope this is clear for you guys. This is how we can write DAX query. This is very simple DAX query. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe for more videos from my side on Power BI and Azure Data Engineering certification. Alright, let's meet again with a different concept. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.